Hello everyone, today we will solve two integral example using the integration by parts, but before that, let's first talk about why do we use it. Integration by part is used to integrate the product of two or more functions, and if we take a look at the rule, it says that integral of these two functions u times v dx equal u times integral of v dx minus integral of u prime times integral of v dx. Now let's use this rule in our example for today is integral x times cosine x dx. In this example, u equal x and v equal cosine x. So we will have x integral cosine x dx minus integral x prime times integral of cosine x dx. Next step is to solve, so it will be equal x sine x minus integral sine x dx. And the final result is x sine x plus cosine x. Now let's solve another example. Integral 4x times cosine 2 minus 3x dx equal 4x. Integral of cosine 2 minus 3x dx minus integral of 4 times integral of cosine 2 minus 3x dx. Next, we solve the integral, so it will be minus 4x over 3 times sine 2 minus 3x plus 4 over 3 times integral sine 2 minus 3x dx. And the final result will be minus 4x over 3 times sine 2 minus 3x plus 4 over 9 times cosine 2 minus 3x dx. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.